Follow your dad. Who, her dad?
She's sleeping. When am I going home? Never. I was trying, I don't know.
What she said, never.
I got a one way. I don't know.
So she done with when the content done.
Okay. No, I fuck with her. I fuck with my friend.
I see Victor so calm. Yeah, hey chat, look, chat. I've been up like 3 fucking days,
I
chat.
told him taking that.
3 days, chat. I've been up. But like at the end of the day, I'm about to turn up. I should ask somebody to lie. So how do we ask somebody? At what's that girl name? Yura.
I don't have her as a friend on here.
You don't got her as a friend?
Not on this account.
Tell Yura to go live.
That's the dude we were talking to. But he's
Bite him.
he's in a match.
Bro, get the fuck. Come on, bro. Oh yeah, baby. Your probation officer. Nah, he ain't looking for me. What the fuck? I'm good, y'all. I got a drug test in 3 days and I haven't like I don't smoke. No.
I don't have her as a friend on this account, y'all. Thank you.
Tell her add her to the live.
Yeah, no,
Tell her.
I can't see either.
You can't see?
I took my contacts up.
You can't see with the contacts? What the fuck? Something wrong with you.
My eyes are fucked up.
Where's Miss What the fuck that mean?
Good morning.
Saca la bolsita? Nah, way. We don't got that. We don't do that, bro. None of that.
What does that mean?
Like, that means like pull out like some bullshit.
Oh.
I'm like, they tripping. Where's your girl, bro? She's right here, bro.
Yeah, I'm his baby mama. We're having a kid actually today.
Today at 5 p.m. You look so tired, guys. You tired? Her ass is tired, right, Chad? Or she tired, right? Her ass need to go to sleep. She ain't ready for this shit.
No, I'm good. What?
Us from fucking Texas, bro. We stay up all night. That ass, Chad. We be staying up, like.
I guess I'm going on a bender.
No, for real. No, for real. Y'all put an all-nighter?
Thank you.
Where's Miss Mo? But why they be saying shit like that?
Because they're hating.
I'll be hating, Chad. Y'all gotta stop the hating.
Cash off your number one hater. W number one hater, I guess. Why would y'all say that? Gianna needs to know. Why are y'all saying my government name?
Vector. What's up, bro? You don't think it's leave me seconds.
We were talking about this guy when.
So who's up? Peanut? What's your mom saying? Wait, hold on. My mom? What's she saying right now? My mom's like, she's like, Dad, like, I need to go to sleep. She said that I need to like go to sleep. And I'm like, at the end of the day, I don't gotta go to sleep because like at the end of the day we lit. At the end of the day.
Wipe the camera, like.
Yeah, like at the end of the day, like we gotta. How white?
Yeah, I think it's better a little bit.
Dang, this Ruka with all the vatos.
Do the dance.
Oh, yo, babe. Come on now, turn me up, chat. Let's get it. I'm telling y'all, bro, right now, if it was in public chat, we would have been turned. We didn't wait for Goldass to wake the fuck up. How long y'all been up?
He's in Chicago.
Yeah, I'm in Chicago right now. I'm finna go to O Block, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, chat, should I go to O Block? Should I? Fuck it. For the one time, for the second time, for the third. I should. You beat the charges? What the fuck are you talking about, bro? Say your cash always a vibe. We lit, chat. We outside. You in Texas, little boy? Who's fine shit?
Oh, me.
Ooh, okay. Clock that T. Clock it. Nah, for real.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, that's the clipper, the one that was clipping everything.
Because you can Irish stream on Kick today.
Yeah, we're gonna stream on Kick and Twitch. You know? No.
Y'all smash like Ike. The fuck are you talking about? Come to Fox Valley, Mom.
What's that?
Been at twin, dealing with some problems.
Let's go sit on the couch.
Fuck it.
Do you want your Gatorade?
No, I can't. Still got all type of shit.
Okay, just put it up. You could like stand it up.
This pillow's like talking shit, like for some reason, like pillow, chill, bro, chill, bro. So this and like, what?
Wait, set it up.
Wait, get the big tripod. Where's the big tripod at?
That is, it stands up.
Like big?
Yeah. Like, you just gotta like.
Oh damn! The hell going up, bro? But I'm fucking like blind though. Like I can't see shit. Chat. Tillian. What they saying? What the hell? She too shell? What that mean? You too shell? Bro, add that guy back. Like that guy funny. That guy funny, chat. Like she was over there letting me know about this girl, chat. She would let me know everything I didn't know.
No.
Nah, this is Guzman 1.0. Brody 2.0.
This shit ain't gonna end well. Alright.
My fucking, like, I think I'm catching cold or some shit, like, in my throat. Like, no homo, no diddy. Like, bro.
Y'all in a sick one.
Sick one?
They mean like, they think we're doing rugs.
You Guzman's friend? No. Respectfully, no.
Respectfully, no.
Respectfully, no. I don't know, bro, on some like other type of stuff that I'm not on, so like, respectfully, no. Nah, respectfully, no.
Respectfully, no. It's funny.
No. Not at all. But yo, baby, yes, sir, buddy. Your mommy or someone? Cause I'm wearing the same shit as you. Yeah, bro.
El copycat.
Bro, them wear the fucking vector suit and did some dumbass stuff, and like people thinking it's me and stuff. They like talking stuff to me. I'm like, what the fuck, chat? Like, bro, when I go in public, they ask me stuff like that, and I'll be like, damn.
When they actually do, they be at.
Yeah, they ask me stuff like, hey, did you do this? Did you do that? Did you do that? The third? I'm like, shit, hell no. Like, and they be like, that's your boy though. Like, what's up with you? Like, I'm like, I gotta chill, bro. Like, chill. I don't know why the fuck you did that dumbass stuff. Them dogs, like, they not even sleeping. And they
be, yeah, Frenchies do be making a lot of
because, like,
noises. Is that your son? Yes, this is my son. That's why.
Where's Go? She sleep.
This is my
They
baby.
snore. Yeah, what, yo, chat, why do Frenchies snore? Cause they know it's right. They know it's like a
Yeah, their face is like flat.
Yeah, like damn.
Oh, there's a kitten.
Where the moon come? Bro, we finna steal it soon, y'all. We finna steal it today, probably tomorrow. I don't know when, but we gonna steal it. We gonna steal that shit soon. Can't say I look like him. Bro, you look like Kevin. Please. Oh, back to Halloween. Hey, that's a W Mans right there. Hey, W Mans. That boy was Vector. Who's that?
I don't know. No, don't add them.
No, I do.
Don't.
They weird?
I don't know. I think it's they're from out of the country. They just be like spamming the battles.
Like, fucking.
But you can add.
Where's that one guy at?
No.
My boy. Where's that? My boy.
He's in the line.
Oh my God. Like, bro, you.
Wait, add like you can add other people. If
You stay on your lives, bro.
You can add anybody. Just go down. And that's all those people.
What the fuck's wrong with you, bro?
Yeah, no, there's
These people like.
But if you like go out and go back, it'll refresh.
Chat, wait, bro, should we add that guy again? Because like, I feel like at the moment we should add that guy again because like if we add that guy again, chat, he's gonna be speaking that shit. Like, you know?
He trying to get tea on me?
Nah, chat, I'm not toxic, chat. Alright, Ben Station Kashout, we've been chilling like a villain. Adam, post 2K, see it. I met you at the Santa Rita. What that BBL feel like? That was clapping. Nah, I'm just playing. That's just to feel. Just to feel later. Indeed.
I see what you're saying. She's sleeping. I fell off, bitch. I have 700 views at 9 a.m.
You have 700 views?
Yeah.
What the
on my
fuck?
backup. On my backup at that.
It's just too much viewers. I don't know.
Like what?
Damn, girl, you popping your shit, man. Lock that shit, girl.
Lock it, sister.
Lock it? Oh, for real, right. Every kid I need to pull up AC. They just deadbeat dad.
You have a kid? Do you have a kid?
Nah, what the fuck? Hell no.
Oh.
What are y'all talking about? Deadbeat
Wait,
dad?
cause we're gonna have a kid.
Oh, yeah.
They're saying you're gonna leave
It's not gonna be
me.
a deadbeat.
Yeah, like they're saying.
But like, I might leave, but like, I'm not gonna be a deadbeat. Like, it's like, at the end of the day, that's not cool.
Are you gonna go get the milk and never come back?
I might not even get the milk. I'm gonna just tell you I'm gonna go get the milk, but I'm not even gonna get it, and I'm not gonna go. No, I'm just like, I'm not even like that.
Oh my gosh, L baby daddy.
No, I'm not. Ain't you be my? What the fuck, bro? Like, what the bro? Chat, what are y'all talking about? Hold on, wait a minute.
We have 800 views now.
800 views.
810. Damn, where's this going on? At 9 a.m. is
800 views at
kind of
fucking
crazy.
9 a.m. Like, oh,
on my backup is kind of crazy.
Yeah, like, what are y'all doing awake though? Like right now,
Good
like,
morning, everybody.
what y'all eating though, chat? Because like, if we could go to the public right now, we would be going in the public right now. It's like. The public's like lit today.
900 views now. Damn.
900 views? Everybody double tap the screen. Indeed. And y'all hit that follow button right here.
Yes, everybody follow me.
Yes, sir. Chat. I ain't gonna lie. Go is not. I ain't gonna lie. Her ass is not gonna go to sleep. Nah, she not sleeping for shit. It's like right now we being loud and shit. Her ass is not sleeping. She sleeping. She different.
I need mods on this one.
End the live and hit that. I got to ASAP, right?
Yep.
I feel like y'all confusing people. Like,
bro, that's crazy.
Y'all confusing people. I feel like.
Yeah, this is my baby daddy.
Me and my brother used to watch it, but when he passed, hold on, you see, what is it?
Hold on, let me get to.
Yeah, that type of stuff that they send like shit like that, like them little like dots.
Yeah.
That shit gotta go. Annoying. That shit gotta go. Join my team, Indy. Another victim?
No, this is my baby daddy.
You mean another? She done caught another fucking victim, chat. It's over with, chat.
It's my baby daddy.
The 10th baby daddy today.
Oh, today?
Hold up, wait a minute. Fuck, bro. Chat, it is over, y'all. Everybody,
today.
Send a prayer out. Take this shit off. She can't get away with this. How much time you looking at? I might know what happened to Shorty from Target, bro. Hey, y'all, chill out, chat.
Oh, that's old news.
That's old news, chat. From Target?
News.
That's old, chat.
That's
like,
old
what the?
What do we even do?
That's why I don't do TikTok, respectfully. That's why I don't do this shit. Like, TikTok, what the fuck?
What do we do?
You gotta end it, right?
Yeah, we're gonna restart it.
Restart, chat. Sorry, y'all. We're gonna be back. Damn, like, what the fuck?
keeping on with my words so strong, pure perfection from beginning to the end. I'm here once again, blow your mind with the rock in front. I'm keeping on with my words so strong, pure perfection from beginning to the end. I'm here once again, blow your mind with the rock in front. I'm keeping on with my words so strong, pure perfection from beginning to the end. I'm here once again, blow your mind with the rock in front. I'm keeping on with my words so strong, pure perfection from beginning to the end. I'm here once again, blow your mind with the rock in front. I'm blow your mind with the rock in front. I'm blow your mind with the rock in front. I'm keeping on with my words so strong. Blow your mind with the rock in front. I'm blow your mind with the rock in front. I'm blow your mind with the rock in front. I'm here once again.
I'm never not safe, I swear. Are you fucking? Never mind, never mind.
You're live, honey, on TikTok. How'd it go? You're live every weekend too, boo. How'd it go?
What's this shit?
It's Nick Croak.
It's what?
It's like NDCCROK.
Okay. drink, dumbass. Don't act like you ain't never fucking been offered water in the club, fucking dumbass. Fucking stupid ass shit, bitch. Fucking, you haven't lived enough to fucking be offered water in the fucking club, bitch. You just drink too little, dumbass. I would hate to be a bitch that got offered too little of alcohol to fucking be asked for water. Hey, yo! Bitch, you didn't even get invited to the fucking Grammys tomorrow, you fucking dumb fuck. I did though, so now what? Y'all finna see me at the motherfucking Grammys, bitch, and y'all think y'all fucking have something on me? Bitch, y'all just be fucking tripping, bro. Y'all be listening to fucking anybody online that talks about me, bitch. That's what the fuck y'all don't see. Bet you wanna see me at the Grammys? Go and ask the person I'm going with. But you know, you'll never see his name because it's an NDA. Come here. You don't know me from a can of paint. Tell him. I literally extended my flight to fucking go to the Grammys. Yes or no? Not once, but twice.
Here now?
Right?
Did you tell him the situation?
I didn't tell him the rest of the situation. But I extended my shit for what? Y'all wish that y'all could get invited to the motherfucking Grammys. Y'all wish that y'all could be fucking invited to that shit. Y'all are just mad because you couldn't be. Bitch, I'm 22 and got fucking invited to the fucking Grammys, bitch. Fucking keep that fucking energy over there. Keep that shit that way. Why would you care? I don't know. The same reason why you're texting shit. Same reason. fucking name, you fucking stupid ass. You literally fucking named your name a fucking just a cornball and you think that you fucking ate, bitch. You're literally a fucking nobody. You couldn't even fucking get into this shit in LA that I fucking could even if you wanted to, bitch. You're just fucking mad. Fucking goofy ass. I don't give a flying fuck how you feel. Fucking just a cornball. You're slow, bruh. Bro, you don't even have a fucking profile picture. Not only do you have a profile picture, bitch, it's fucking corn, bitch. Because you're a fucking cornball, you fucking goofy ass. Fucking stop being a cornball and fucking take your life somewhere else. Maybe it would go fucking somewhere. That ass. Maybe you could be in LA, you know? Going to the Gruffies tomorrow and fucking doing actual shit. But bitch, you just fucking named yourself a fucking cornball because you can't fucking do shit because you're just a fucking cornball. Literally. I would hate to be a bitch that fucking named myself a cornball and I still couldn't do fucking shit. Fucking lame-o. Lame as fuck. I swear I wear the same thing over and over again. Roxy, you're fucking, I'm not gonna lie. Your name is like a fucking dog, bro. You're like a fucking dog. Woo! Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Hey! Harassment and fucking bullying. You guys are fucking whores, bro.
Called you earlier, little bro. Or I think yesterday.
Oh, you must have called my other number. My shit dead.
I don't know.
What the hell you and Ray doing, man?
We chilling. We outside.
Shit cooling. I'm about to make me turn me into, you know what I'm talking about.
Oh no! Damn, you like you want to kiss Ray. You like you trying to kiss Ray. Give him a kiss, Ray. Give him a little smooch before you leave.
Why? Why you don't roll like that, bro?
Hey, he can't, dude.
Hey, you finna kiss Bitch when he drop you off?
Mitch Home about to eat him up in the car. Fuck kiss.
Three-way right with that. One do right. Three-way
Y'all
right.
niggas head. Nah, hey, twin. Come my phone. You got them get by yourself.
All right, say that, little bro.
All right, look.
All right, Jwavy.
All right, my boy.
All right.